Watch this video because it's going to help you decide what to believe and what you should not believe. Now, honestly, can you really tell me, do you believe in yourself? Because the key to success is you need to believe who you are, what you can do, and be yourself. All right, I encourage everyone to get books. This book came from the Barnes and Noble at the bookstore, and every day you can read it, and it talks about believing in yourself. And when you read this every day, it really helps you, motivates you, encourages you to keep going on. And why is not my recording not on? I'm hoping that my video is recording, but let me share you the very first one. Do what you can with what you've got where you are, and be yourself. The world worships the originals. Be authentic, be you, and all will go well. Hi everyone, I'm Lottie Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, but first, before you subscribe, read who I am, watch my videos. You like my videos, then you'll enjoy my channel. But I encourage everyone to create their own channel and be creative, share yourself, your authentic you, and be the best you can be to help someone else. All right, take care. Bye, everyone. Hi, everyone. How's everybody doing? I'm Coach Lottie Silvis. I am actually live, and just wanted to go on live just for a few couple minutes. I don't know how long, but I actually wanted to share with you what you can do to help yourself, to support yourself. And I actually got this wonderful books on self-esteem and confidence. And I find that books that are educational are really good for you. So start reading about the confidence and the level of your confidence. This book is about a self-esteem book by David Bonham Carter. And he talks about that beliefs don't grow on trees. They sprout from your experiences, both of the past and present, and from the messages you receive about your abilities and promise. By your insecurities, anxiety, depression, whether it started early or came from life's hardship. You're left judging yourself, worrying about what others think, and wondering if you're good enough. Dig to the core of your identity and restore balance in your life by weeding out distorted thinking patterns and planting the seeds of personal change. This is a really great book to get. Hi, I'm Coach Lottie Silvis. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Mindset for Success. I talk about how to improve your self-ability, to improve your personality, your character, to bring out the best out of you. Okay, that's what my channel is about. So, hi everyone. Okay, so the confidence level is so important. Okay, value. V starts to say that you need to value yourself. A means accept yourself. L, look after yourself. U, understand yourself. And E, empower yourself. So there's, in the word value, VAL, UE. Again, I'm going to repeat. V is for value. A is to accept yourself. L is to look after yourself. Uh, U is to understand yourself. And E is to empower yourself. So, negative experience can actually travel with you for a long time. So, how distorted the way you see, how you think about yourself, a lot have to do with the way that you have actually been raised, um, your parents can even devalue you, right? They can say things that it has been affected your life, and it takes time to weed out those negativity that they have planted in you, that kind of destroyed your self-esteem, and sometimes the words that they have spoken to you might have hurt you so much that it affected you now as an adult. So now it is the time, for you to make that change. It's the time for you to steer away from your life and have a new direction. Okay. Uh, Improving your mental and physical health. Okay, changing the way how you think, changing how to achieve a more balance of feeling great about yourself, taking the action and responsibility to make those changes. All right, confronting your inner critic of yourself, communicating effectively, and enjoying a positive attitude and relationship within yourself. Okay, self-esteem begins to easily grow if you the you know get the fullness of finding new information. And how do you do that? Is improving yourself by getting you books that are going to build your confidence, that's going to help you snap out of that old pattern, the way you used to live. So um, I have been really changed by just getting educational books about improving yourself. Um, and your self improvement is so important today, that acknowledging that you're willing to change can make a whole lot of difference and towards your success in life. You can either destroy your self-confidence and have no success, or you can improve your confidence and have the best success in your life. Okay, so that's what we need to aim for. And I suggest, let me read something out of this book. Okay, you feel better about yourself. Okay, you don't have to worry so much about whether you're doing the right thing or whether you're good enough. You can engage in relationship constructively without putting yourself down. Um, you can be comfortable enough in yourself and confident enough to communicate effectively. Okay. You're more likely to be able to assert yourself effectively without worrying excessively about what others think. You find it easier to focus on the present and concentrate on tasks at hand because you are less anxious. You can use your energy constructively instead of being preoccupied by how well you are doing or how you appeal with others. Okay. Uh, you have a better chance of establishing and maintaining a successful relationship. To get that achievement, you have to see yourself in a higher, building yourself, having a higher self-esteem within yourself. Okay. To establish and maintain a successful relationship within you. Um, so um, there's tips here in this book that I want to encourage you what you should do, and part of it is enjoying your life the way it is now. And let me give you some tips. All right. Valuing yourself involves creating some space and time to do things that you enjoy doing. This would be almost anything legal and harmful, but it could be, for example, including any of the following: listening to music, reading and writing, sports, cooking, meeting friends, helping people, self development activities or research. Gardening can actually activity out physically, walking, taking extra care of your body, getting that enough exercise that you need. Playing with your children too is very effective. By all these things, you can contribute and enjoy your life. Watching a good movie, having a laugh with someone, um, traveling, painting, looking at scenery, getting you out. You might want to go for an adventure, go camping, or take a vacation somewhere, someplace new, finding about other new things, about yourself, working on a particular project. Enjoy, and this all is good activity in building your self-esteem. Okay. And actually I do a lot of these things. That's why I'm always happy, and I don't feel stressed because I keep my mind active. So I wanted to share in how to supercharge your confidence. I wanted to share the power of your mind. The power of your mind is in believing in yourself, and this is a book, Believing in Yourself. You may have heard the famous quote from Henry Ford: "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're probably right. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve great things." Okay, no matter how faulty you are, you make lots of mistakes, but go ahead, pick up the pieces together, and just continue to believe in yourself. Continue to be strong. Be dynamic in your life. Okay, take action, make that change, and do things that are going to challenge you. Take don't take life like for granted. Okay, take life as a necessity to grow. Okay, to actually develop you and your own, to grow in your own um, personality. Everybody has their own character, and you just have to find the goodness of the things that you do great, things that you know how to do. Focus on the things that you love to do, and it all fall in place. And these are the things that you need to hang on. Not, sew together the things that are good that you are at, the things that you are good in doing, and you're going to be just fine. All right, everyone. Thank you. This is a live studio, and and I see that nobody is chatting with me, but that's okay. As long as you hear this message, it's really important. You know, don't take life for granted. Take it serious. Be committed with yourself. Be responsible, and in all areas in your life, you know, with God number one, and His help, and finding the resources and the right tools that will help improve your self image is the best thing you can do for yourself. All right. So connect back with me. Thank you for listening to me tonight. It's live, but it's going to be a short live. And watch out for the next video. Uh, all my videos that I make, um, it's about setting your mind and building yourself, and making money too as well. And I share my life, I share my experiences, because I want you to know that these things that I do online and why I'm so active is going to keep you going. It's going to keep you, um, it's going to actually help you and yourself, not just me, but you can see the things I do. You can do exactly the same thing that I do, and you're going to actually see yourself grow. All right. Thank you all. Leave your likes and comments and get back with me. Don't forget to go to any bookstore, get you some supercharged books like this one, How to Supercharge Your Confidence by Christina Neal, and Self Esteem by David Bonham Carter. This is a really good book. I get all my books on sale. So, and I'm going to continue to read this right now because I really love what it's um, explaining, and I'm going to share. There's a lot of things in here that I don't know about myself and what I can do to improve myself. There's also exercises here that you can actually do, and I'm going to share it with you all. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. Um, Don't forget to watch my suggested videos, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great, blessed evening. All right, it's late. I think it's like 10 p.m. at night, but wherever you are all over the world, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for leaving your awesome comments. A lot of you guys enjoy my videos, and I appreciate you all my subscribers, all my fans. Continue on and grow with me. Come back and check out my latest video. Okay, bye everybody.